lips look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My hope is fine.
All these sexy girls in the club, up.
Hey guys, it's Martina. I'm back again. I have not posted in so long. Why? I don't know. But I'm back and hopefully I stay consistent on posting. Finger crossed. Today, you're just gonna come with me.
This is my first time listening to this song, guys. Have you heard it?
On the phone, you don't vent to your best friend.
So that's what's the video.
Gave me the lecture, but I ain't
the
gon'
video.
sweat you, babe. I'm a lecture. The sound of Beyonce. You know what's got to do.
Ooh, I like the sound of Beyonce.
I'm about to get Chipotle. Y'all listen to my Chipotle order. Can I get a bowl? Yeah. To go. Both. Both? Yes. Just got my food. I was good. Woo!
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Only gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want.
Get some in now, cut your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You so, baby. I've been my empty mind, shit. I should've get from losing best of me. I worry that I wasted the best of me on you, baby, you don't care.
I'll see y'all later. We just got at the park.
I know you guys cannot see me, but it's fine. Show them the water.
Get your steps in.
You know, make sure you're slim. Body tea, body macho. You don't want to look like a...
Please don't say
Maybe
it.
not even name it. You get it. You get the picture.
Oh.
You get the picture. Eat less. I know you're eating now. Eat less. But yeah, the water looks very pretty. This fish is Fiona fish.
Yeah, somebody's fishing, yeah. Check the hair out. Hold on. Hair by me.
It's cute.
There's some,
This will go sometime.
there's some cute sets in here, like,
Black? Yes.
bro.
Like that would be nice.
You these are the leggings. You don't like it? What? I think I lost Sandrine, or Sandrine lost me. Where is she at? Yo. Let's call her. Where you at? Gym section. Look at this, yo. Pull yourself. Pull. Pull.
Who they fly just like that? Lagos,
Why?
fighting for my life. Look at my hands here.
She's just a girl.
See them. These are pretty. These are green and
Pink.
pink. Chayo.
Hey guys, hey. This will be the end of our vlog. I've been editing the video because it will be posted today. I'm gonna be posting it today. So make sure you tune in and watch the video, and make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Promise I'll be consistent and I'll post more videos for y'all. Pinky promise. We can't do that, but promise I'll be back with more. Alright, bye.
I'm feeling vibes on vibes.